You got a nail in your tire? Don't pay somebody to fix it. Let's do it right now. Cheap.
Take it places you don't wanna go. 50, 60 stacks of more and I'm in your town. Just some shake a booty hole, run, let it go down. Yeah, that click clack move, better get back fast. At attention when you see me pledge allegiance to the swag.
What is up, guys, and welcome back. I got a brand new set of Pirelli P4 tires. They get a screw in them. So easy to fix, so cheap. Don't pay somewhere to do it. Don't get ripped off. Only thing you need to know real quick is there's a safety line where you can and you cannot replace with a patch or a plug. The area that I have is right on the line. Went ahead and did it. I've got another car in the garage like that. It's had that patch for like 5 years. It's still sitting there perfectly fine. You will need a plug kit. It has these plugs here. It has a tool that holds it, puts it in the tire, rubber cement, and there's a tool you prep it with. See how that one's grooved? That's the kind I like to use. You can also get these here that kind of look like a drill bit. Do kind of the same thing. There's the nail sticking out. Loosen it up. That's still on the ground. At this point, if you don't know where the hole is, you could take soap and a brush, put it all around your tire, inflate it to the pressure it's supposed to be inflated to, and you'll see it start to bubble where you have a hole. Fortunately, I know where my hole is, but unfortunately it's a screw, not a nail. So I'm going to take that out with a pair of pliers, real nice and tight, and just unscrew that so I don't rip that hole and shred it even bigger. A white pencil to mark around where that is so I don't lose that when I'm working on it. A pair of linesman pliers and or vice grips. Take this thing out of here. There's your problem. Show you the exact tools I'm using here. I'm using that one that's kind of got the file to it. I'm going to use that first. Then I'm going to use the plug insert tool with a plug, and I'll put some rubber cement on it. This is going to feel so wrong, but you want to take this file tool. You want to find the exact hole. I like to kind of push it in there until I can hear it stop. Shove it in there and give it a good file back and forth. You're making that hole the exact size it needs to be for that plug. And you're cleaning up the rubber for the cement to stick to. You take a plug into the tool. Try not to touch the middle part that's going to be in the tire. Nice little coating of rubber cement. The camera didn't record that part. You put the little patch right in the middle and you push it right into the hole. Push it down just over halfway, about 3/4 of the way down. Push that down to where it's got two little tabs sticking out. So now I'm going to pull that tool real quick straight up, and it should leave that plug right where it sits. And see how that rubber cement kind of squirted all around? Seal around where it went in. That's why I like to use that. Moment of truth. Sometimes I yank out with it. There we go. I'm going to cut right even with that tire tread. Just a little hair above it. There we are. We're going to take some soapy water, spray it in there, see what we get. Just real quick, I loved one of these fix-it videos. If they could just help somebody out there. I was featured in a magazine that helps single moms and widowed wives. That meant a lot to me, and I'm thankful for that. That is all I got for today. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like it, check out my other videos. They're a lot more fun than this one. Check it out, check it out. Remember to subscribe. You get more notifications of videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.
So sucker free. I swear, you don't know me, homie, you can get the fuck from around here. I don't care who you will, who you will, or who you know. Let's be clear, I'm a motherfucking G and you a hoe. Keep that remix